And tuning. Tuning is when everybody wants to play together and all notes sound the same. That's basically the definition. How you tune an instrument depends on your instrument and your weather conditions, as well as the humidity conditions. And that's why playing in a band is so hard. How many of you played in a band? Outside, how easy was it to tune your instrument? It was hard, right? And so now you know why, because temperature changes the speed of sound, humidity changes the actual physical instrument itself. Hot weather, the sounds travel at a different distance, and so it's all a mess. Indoors, it is very people who play instruments indoors in an orchestra, yes, it's easier inside. All instruments play the same. The temperature is being controlled. No?
Well, I played piccolo.
Oh.
That's all.
Oh, yeah.
My band used to say we used to go to close to
Oh, we have. How do you get two piccolo players or two? It's a mess.
Okay, except for a piccolo. Everything.
There's like a scientific reason for that, because the frequencies that's one of the highest frequency playing instruments. So there's less room to adjust.
Yeah.
It's also a part of it's really hard to do that. Yeah. You can't really extend it or it's just small.
And you can't add vibrato into it to make the two sort of sound together, right?
You can if you're real good.
Oh, you can?
To do it well is hard.
Oh, yeah.
Some composers were smart and didn't have them.
They're what? Sorry, say that again?
Some composers were smart and never wrote piccolo.
So then you just play the flute?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Never thought of that. That is true. It's such a high frequency. How do you get all the beats out between the two very high frequencies? That is actually true. Wow. Okay. What is tuning? Tuning is matching pitches, apparently, except for piccolo players. Apart from that, everybody else, when you match your pitches, and usually what do we match them to? The concert pitch or the C? What do you guys mostly use? Concert pitch, which was 440, A 440, right? Well, I wonder why, but I wonder why most people don't tune them to C then. 512, right?
You tune to your lowest fundamental.
Okay.
Which in a lot of cases is tuba, which their fundamental note is B flat. So actually what you'll hear people tuning to most of the time is it's set to a tuner set to A440, but the pitch you're playing is usually concert B flat, because that's the fundamental, your typical lowest instrument.
Okay.
And then you fit within that sound.
Okay. Well, unless you don't have that in your orchestra playing at the time, and then you tune
You'll
it.
never hear an orchestra tune a concert have, because strings.
Yes. Yes.
That you have a concert band. But if you're in a band setting, you might hear a few different pitches go around, and they'll tune different, like a clarinet, in different places to pull in or push out your instrument. So it adjusts different registers of your chord to.
I see.
It just depends on a lot.
And it also probably depends on where you're playing, right? If you're playing in a big room versus a small room versus a flat room versus, yeah. Never thought of that. And it also probably also depends on what kind of instruments are being played at the time.
It's separate from brass, because
Right, yeah.
different fundamentals.
Yeah, we'll talk about how difficult it is to do conical versus flat. It's easier because, okay. So that brings us to the end of this section.